You may want to try out the voice effects on TikTok, especially the new ones called Jessie and Deep. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add voice effects on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's head on straight to the TikTok app. And from here, let's click on this plus icon at the bottom mid. And this should take you to the camera page. Now from here, you should just record a video where you are speaking. So I'm just going to record a video real quick, but I'm just not gonna record an audio. Like that, and just click on the check mark to proceed. And from here, let's click on this arrow down icon right below the privacy settings. And you should be able to see the audio editing option. So click on that. And actually, I still don't have the new voice effects as well. So make sure that your app is up to date. However, mine is up to date as well. But if the filters still aren't available after trying that, like on mine, you may just have to wait until the filters are made available in your region or on your device, since I think TikTok is still slowly rolling it out to selected users. So from here, you should be able to see a number of audio effects from here, and you should just click on the effect that you want like that, and it will be applied to all audio. So once you have chosen one audio effect, just click on that and then click on save, and that should be applied to your video's audio. So that is how you basically add voice effects on TikTok. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.